Even in 2025, we have better maps of the surface of the moon than we do of the bottom of the oceans. This means it should come as no surprise that even now we're still discovering new species under the sea, and only very recently we're able to classify a third species of manta ray. The new species is named Mobula yare, a reference to a figure from Brazilian mythology. Now, something that a lot of people don't realize is just how large manta rays grow. If you're used to just seeing stingrays at the zoo or an aquarium, it's easy to assume that manta rays only grow to about that size. In reality, this newly discovered species grows to between 16 and 20 feet across by adulthood, even though so far the majority of observed individuals have been juvenile specimens. These new specimens of manta ray reside in the warmer parts of the Atlantic Ocean. Interestingly, although this species was only recently recognized by the scientific community, back in 2010, one of the authors of the paper that was recently published, declaring their existence, actually came face to face with a specimen and instantly recognized that what she was looking at was in fact an entirely new species of manta ray. A decade and a half later, the species had gone from being a cryptid to being an animal that's formally recognized by the scientific community. There are two major reasons that this species was able to go undetected for as long as it did. The first of these two reasons is the fact that when they die, manta rays sink to the bottom of the ocean rather than floating to the top. The second reason is that manta ray bodies are made up of cartilage, which decomposes very quickly after the specimen dies, meaning that actually finding the corpse of one of these animals is a very, very unlikely event. This does, of course, raise the question: if our new species of manta ray was able to go unrecognized by the scientific community for as long as it did, could there be other giant ocean life that we're not aware of? What other cryptids could be hiding down in the depths? Let me know what you think in the comments section below.